Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Triumph, and as usual I'm here amongst the shelves taking a look to see what's back in stock for your classic motorcycle. So let's see what we've got back on the shelves for your Triumph to keep you on the roads. Okay, first up this week is part number 607462. That's the right hand side handlebar switch with twist grip electric start, and that is £166 and 80p including VAT. Next is the centre mudguard stay for the 650 in black. That is part number 971683, and that's £28 and 74p including VAT. And finally the IC drive gearbox 69, that's part number 717011, and that is £83 and 9p including VAT. And don't forget, as always, if there's anything I've not mentioned, you can always check out the Andover Triumph website, see if we've got that item in stock at all, or set yourself up a reminder as well, which is really easy to do. Or you can give the guys a call on the technical hotline. The number is on the Andover Triumph website, which is listed in the section below, along with all the links for the items that I've mentioned this week. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching this time, and until next week, safe riding.